Hello. I think that I'm gonna try to make a massive burp and then it's on YouTube. Yay! That wasn't that good. One time I burped for like 5 minutes. It was really weird. It wasn't like all like 5 minutes. I'd like stop and then I'd burp again. It was at my friend's house. I drank a whole Pepsi just so that I could prove to her dad that I could burp like a guy, and I like did that fake burp thing, and I ended up with this. It's like, damn it, I drank that whole Pepsi for no reason. He left the house to go to the garage. I started walking through their house to help her get her Pokemon cards. Then I was like, bleh! It was funny. And it just kept on happening. My hair looks like crap because I'm too lazy and too sad to do anything to it. This is my little brother. Chance, come here. Up. Up.
Oh, God.
Oh, you didn't do anything.
I didn't do
See, that's my little brother.
I don't give two shits about YouTube.
Yeah. No, he does give two shits because he was begging to be my partner in my YouTube videos.
No.
Like, I don't need a partner. This is videos that I come up with on myself.
That's why you don't have many views.
No. I'm abusive. Oh. I was discussing with Vin last night about my laugh and how I forget to breathe. I am going to try to make myself laugh today. I'm going to do my hair first. It's like 1 a.m. and I still haven't done my hair. Sorry. I'm not very ladylike, but I'm going to try to do my hair. And my mom's gonna get combed, so it will be teased and beautiful. And I'm gonna walk down the street, and I'm gonna find funny things, and I'm gonna start laughing. And I'm gonna upload to YouTube a video of my suffocation goose laugh. Oh, by the way, I may be drinking Coca-Cola, but Pepsi is way better. I approve this message. I wish I had some Pepsi. My mom doesn't buy any. Well, she does, like, when I ask her, and she gets Diet Pepsi. What is that about? I am not fat! That's her reason for not getting it. I'm so sad. Nobody's texting me all day. I woke up at 12. Ah, music! What?
Don't do that. You sound like you got into freaking Hawaii.
She'll give me a brush. I can brush my hair on a YouTube video.
You sound like you got coronas in your bag.
My brother thought I showed him the video that I did last night, and he thought I was drunk. He thought I got into the Hawaiian coolers again. Did you give me the brush?
No.
I'm gonna go get my cat.
It's my cat. It's my cat.
Whiskers!
Brace yourself for YouTube.
He's a site model. Get up on my video. Get up. Hand me a brush.
Cracker. Crackers be tripping.
Ew, you smell bad.
I go on Facebook now.
But my cat's a site model just like me, and he site models for Death Owns or something. I forgot. But yeah, I got kicked from that group. But you should add him on Facebook. His name is Whisk Catches Mice. Excuse me. That smells like cheeseburger.
What the
yeah, he does not have that many friends. I think he has like about 200. I have 700 friends. Look up Mikey Mistake, spelled like it is up in my name thingy. Subscribe, view, like, all that junk. I don't know what else to say.